Good morning, my wonderful children. Wishing you a day full of happiness and joy. Yesterday we have learnt about homes of animals and sounds of animals. Let's revise them once again.
Homes of animals. Rabbit lives in burrow. Squirrel lives in tree hole. Spider lives in cobweb. Ant lives in anthill. Pig lives in sty. Bee lives in hive. Lion lives in den. Sounds of animals. Lion roars. Cat mews. Monkey chatters. Goat bleats. Sparrow chirps. Elephant trumpets. Duck quacks. Cow moos. Snake hisses. Horse neighs. Dog barks. Bear growls. Pig grunts. Tiger roars.
Now it's time for activity.
Today we will do an activity related to sounds of animals. In this activity, we have to place sound with the correct animal. First sound is roars. Who roars? Yes, it's lion. Lion roars. Lion roars. Now, next sound. It's chirps. Who chirps? Yes, it's sparrow. Sparrow chirps. Sparrow chirps. Now, next one. Mews. Who mews? Yes, it's cat. Cat mews. Cat mews. Now, next sound. Hisses. Which animal hisses? Is it pig? No, it's snake. Snake hisses. Snake hisses. Now, quacks. Who quacks? Think, children. Is it horse? No, it's duck. Duck quacks. Duck quacks. Now, next sound. Moose. Who moos? It's cow. Cow moos. Cow moos. Now, grunts. Which animal grunts? Yes, it's pig. Pig grunts. Pig grunts. Now, next sound. Neighs. Who neighs? Think. Is it dog? No, it's horse. Horse neighs. Horse neighs. Now, barks. Who barks? Dog. Dog barks. Dog barks. Hope you enjoyed the activity.
Now it's time to solve the worksheet.
This is the worksheet of homes of animals. In this worksheet, we have to match the animals with their homes. First animal is lion. Lion lives in den. So we have to match lion with den. Now second is squirrel. Squirrel lives in tree hole. So we have to match squirrel with tree hole. Third is bee. Bee lives in hive. So we have to match bee with hive. Fourth is pig. Pig lives in sty. So we have to match pig with sty.
Hope you enjoyed today's session. See you soon. Bye bye.